Assalamu alaikum and hi to my beautiful and loving viewers. How are you? I wish that you are fine and fit. I am your host Malish Ahmad from your heart favorite channel Fun with Enjoyment and Learning. I wish and pray for your best health and prosperity. If you are searching for a channel from where you can learn beautiful English handwriting, then I guarantee you that you are at a correct place. You will learn in a very simple way, in a very simple steps, and you can improve your handwriting even at the older age. So viewers, before starting the video, I am indebted toward my subscribers and friends, those who are always with me and had been encouraging me during my all efforts. And all viewers who are new with me, I request them to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting my all notifications. Okay, let's move toward the video without wasting time. Let's go. Right friends, we are on the study table and today we are going to learn beautiful English handwriting, and in that we will learn letter M in both capital and in small letters. So without wasting time, let's move. Capital M, then small m, now we will mark the strokes. Start from here, come down, and this line up to here. Right, these are the strokes which you will be following. Now a quick practice. Right, my most loving members and my friends, today we have learned this beautiful letter M in both cursive and capital letters. If you want to practice, take out the print and then you can have a practice of it. So without wasting time, at the end, as usual, my prayers for you, for your family. Stay at home, stay safe, follow the COVID-19 SOPs. May Allah be with you. Allah Hafiz.